Hello financial investors and welcome to the channel. My name is Brent and in today's video we're going to be doing our stock market weekly recap for the 5th week of 2021. We're going to go ahead and cover the dates February 1st to February 5th. So the last time that we did our video was back on our week 3. We didn't make a video last weekend or I believe this week. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of leap 1 week ahead and go ahead and cover the 4 main indexes. Go ahead and take a look at the entire S&P 500 performance for this past week. What stocks were up, what stocks were down, what sectors were strong, what sectors were weak. Then we'll take a look at oil, the dollar, silver, gold, bonds, and take a look at the 10-year yield and mortgage rates. This is just a quick recap of the past week. I missed out on last weekend. There was a lot of movement in the market and I would have liked to have taken a look at that week. I just had other things going on at that time, which is unfortunate. So anyways, with that said, if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time we release a brand new video, and of course give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So last week, I believe we were pretty negative, pushing the total S&P 500 into the negative for 2021. Here, this week, we were up 4.65%, bringing it out of the negative territory into the positive by 3.48% year to date. So this is one of the biggest movements that we've had in quite a while. I think it was back in November of some time. I think that was an article floated out today that this week has been one of the biggest recovery weeks since I think it's like November of 2020. We have the Dow Jones put it on 3.89%, putting it in the green, barely up 1.77%. We have the NASDAQ pushing up 6.01%. Now this one, I believe it's in second place. We'll take a look here in just a second. This one is up 7.51%. Then we have the Russell 2000. So here we are, our first place winner of the main indexes. We have the Russell 2000 up 7.7% this week alone, putting it year to date 13.09%. So let me know down in the comment section below, are you investing in some of the smaller mid-cap companies, or are you kind of focused on some of the larger cap companies? Let me know down in the comment section below. Now, jumping into the 1 week performance of the S&P 500, this breaks it down individually by stocks within the S&P 500 and also sectors. So pretty much every sector was pretty positive besides healthcare. You can see United Health Group was down 2.72. We have CI down 6.28, Eli Lilly down 2.98, Pfizer down 2.73, AbbVie putting up 6.10%. That's really good. AbbVie there, sorry, 6.10%. So pretty positive with AbbVie, but mostly everything else is either flat or in the negative, whereas the rest of the market did pretty positive. I do see Qualcomm up there at the top, down 6.68, so maybe they came out with some earnings this week and they may have missed on their earnings, sending them down by that 6.68%. But check out Google, up a whopping 14.31%, Amazon 4.55, Facebook 3.78, Apple 3.64, and Microsoft 4.42%. Financials were also up, some of them in the double digits there, with PayPal up 14.99 and a few others down towards the bottom. I'm not familiar with the companies, but they're pretty positive down there as well. So a lot of green out there in the market. I'm sure your portfolio also did pretty positive. Now this week, oil jumped up 8.58%. I know in the past the dollar has been kind of falling. So dollar has been, let's go ahead and switch to the 5-day here. And let's go back to, there we go. And look at the 5-day trend. Oh, I thought it had actually gone lower, but it started the week at 90.61 and closed at $91 there. So it actually moved up over this past week. I was actually kind of kind of surprised there. Then we have silver. Silver, I didn't get the catch last week. I believe silver had been up pretty positive this past week. I think it was up 10%. in a single day. I see Monday it was up 7%, and on Tuesday it was down 8.3%. I'm not sure how the week prior, it looks like a huge spike there, ending January. So I think this may have been a nice run up there. If you were part of that, let me know down in the comment section below. It did put up silver, even with this 1 week change here, down 0.16, we're still positive year to date by 1.55%. Then we have gold this week down 1.62. And we have our bonds this week moving down by 0.54%. Year to date down 1.4%. So right now may not be the best time to be invested in bonds when you see that the total market is moving up nearly 5%, 4%, 6%, and nearly 8% there alone. So right now, if you have a lot of bonds, when they're pushing a lot of capital into the market, they're about to put a new stimulus deal together with trillions of dollars going into the market. That's going to push down that dollar. That's going to push down the bond market. It may not be worth even holding bonds on the side when you can invest in some stocks that'll just kind of go up with the normal trend there. Then we have the 10-year yield at 1.17. I think just a few weeks ago it had hit 1.10 or 1.11. I'd have to go back and look at my notes here. So this is the 10-year at 1.10 and then 1.9. And then we have current mortgage rate. So I locked in a mortgage rate this week at 2.75. This is showing that the average fixed 30-year mortgage is at 2.99. So I would say this is pretty accurate. If you shop around for loans right now, you'll probably get a 2.25 to 2.75% rate. So if you are shopping for a home, this is a great opportunity to go out there, talk with a few different lenders, see what kind of cost, rate you can get locked in, and get it done. So that is pretty much it. I haven't posted a whole lot this past week and the week prior. I don't think going into the weekend, I just kind of didn't get a chance to post. We did get a nice pop there with our portfolios to some new all-time highs, with 10-year factory outlet moving up 17.23% in a single day. So that was very nice. There's also the movement out of Robinhood. So if anybody is interested in another broker, either M1 Finance or Webull or First Trade, I do have some affiliate links and referral links down in the description below. So if you sign up for Webull, you do get 4 free stocks for signing up with Webull. So I think that's a really great deal. Oh, it looks like it's only 2 free stocks right now. So they did have a bonus in January where you were able to sign up and get 4 free stocks. So that's pretty nice still. 2 free stocks. That could be anywhere from $16 to some thousands of dollars. So check that out if you are interested in moving away from Robinhood onto Webull or M1 Finance. So that is going to be it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section below, how was your week? Did you buy anything specific? Looking at this heat map, the FANG stocks, you would think that they would kind of stop here, but Google, it just broke above $2,000. Amazon is at $3,352. Just a few years ago, 5 years ago, Amazon within the $400 range. In 2017, they were near the $1,000 range. And here, there's just kind of 3x that $1,000 point, where you thought they would probably hit some highs. And Tesla had a stock split, and they're still up to $852. So there's so much movement out there in the market and opportunity. So hopefully you guys are investing and searching out for some good buys. We did buy Cisco a bit ago, so I'm pretty happy about that one. Up nearly 8% this week. But that is going to be it for this video. Again, if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time we release a brand new video, and of course, give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.